Well, the smoke seems to be just getting worse out there, and the question is will there be a break somewhere down the road in our forecast and maybe it will give us some relief?
Well, I can tell you this, there's a cold front that's on the way Friday, and that front's going to help to cool our temperatures down this weekend. However, it's going to be a dry cold front. Not all cold fronts generate showers.
Yeah, and so it's not going to be able to scour us out.
You know, we'll probably see a little bit of a wind ahead of and behind, but I think that it's only going to be temporary. So as a result, some of the smoke just kind of gets pushed around and then it ends up coming back. Take a look at this live shot, friends. This is an indication that we're not only suffering with the smoke here in the valleys, but this is Redfish Lake. And what you see there looks like fog. It's not. It too is smoke that's trapped up in the higher mountain valleys as well. Here's the latest air quality reports for today. Boise and the Treasure Valley is unhealthy. McCall has unhealthy air right now. Idaho City has moderate levels of pollution, and so does Twin Falls at this time. But if we don't get something clearing out this air, that air quality is just going to continue to just kind of degrade over the next couple of days. The showers are out there. They're just affecting Montana, Wyoming, moving out into the Central Plains. And as a result, the air quality advisory remains in effect for much of the Northwest, including much of the state of Idaho, but that's an honest-to-goodness storm, so all we need is a little shift in this jet stream pattern. If the high pressure breaks down enough, we might actually see that trying to work its way into the valley, and it's going to try and do that on Friday, but it's not going to be enough to generate any significant showers. So the high temperature so far today, 86 degrees. We should be up around 90 degrees for daytime highs, and temperatures throughout much of the afternoon were actually fairly comfortable. In fact, I think it was in the upper 70s for quite some time. 86 right now, Boise, Nampa 86, 88 in Caldwell, Mountain Home is 87 degrees, and McCall, you're currently at 76 degrees. So as you look at the satellite imagery, there you can see there's where all the storms are going. So there's obviously some kind of a dividing line here in the atmosphere, and there is. This is the main jet stream where the storm track flow. On the north side of that flow is where the showers and storms go. On the south side of that is where a large area of high pressure has taken up residence here across much of the Northwest. So stagnant air associated with the high, and then out here where the jet stream is where most of the showers reside, and we're just not going to be seeing any of that activity here. Take a look at what happens on the computer models through the day tomorrow. That's blue skies and sunshine, but trapped in the valleys is the smoke. Looking ahead towards Thursday, same scenario, very dry conditions. Then a cold front comes in late Friday, and with that front approaching late Friday, we will see cooler temperature readings that will affect us on Saturday. Hopefully enough to maybe stir some of the smoke out of the areas, but that may be wishful thinking. On Sunday, we jump it back up to 88 degrees. It is going to stay very dry for the next 5 to 7 days. The mountains will see sunny but smoky skies with temperatures ranging from the 70s into the low 80s. So what we need is an honest-to-goodness storm, but it is still technically summer. And so as the jet stream draws closer, maybe something will happen as we get into September. But in the meantime, at least they got a handle on that soda fire, which was generating so much of the smoke in the valley.
Yeah, 90% containment still, but they're starting to wrap things up, thinking that it's pretty well in hand. Yeah. Thank you, I think. We'll see what happens in the next few days and hope that we get some relief from the smoke.
Yep.